Give me a number. Any number. One number only. 1, 2, 3, go.
41.
41. Go
Wala.
the back.
Go the back.
Go the back.
Go the back.
Okay, Kyler. Any number.
Any number.
5.
5.
Atagdawit.
No, number 5.
Atagdawit.
20.
20.
Wala.
Wala.
Go the back.
Yung iba walang number.
Number
10.
10.
Oh, wala. No.
Wala.
Go at the back.
Go at the back.
Wala kang news.
Any number.
11.
Good job.
Okay, yung line up there. Line up.
11 din. Yun na nga yun eh. Choose one more number. Choose one more number.
One more number.
Go line up there.
Choose one more number.
No, you line up there. Line up.
Give me a number. Give me a number. 8.
8.
Okay.
It's okay. Try again. Try again. You can win again.
Dragon. You I have a lot of chocolate. Go. Dragon.
Any number.
Dragon. Number. No cheating, Kaden. Magaling siya. Give me a number. Ha?
26. Yeah, there.
Oh, $5. Okay.
Ay, o kaya ano, yung mga win na lang, ano muna, sit down muna ka, Ate Cor. Sit down. Ay, did you win already?
Not
Sino
yet.
nanalo kanina?
Kylie.
Kylie and Kylie.
Dalawa pa, dalawa pa lang. Because you already won.
Okay.
You already won.
Okay then. Number.
26. And the other
Meron na nga eh.
One more number.
One more.
Dapat sasali pa din kasi by number.
One more.
Hindi pa rin ibabawa ko ng game.
Para ma-chance.
31 daw. 31.
Ako sila to. Ato.
Wala.
Wala. No, 31. Kyler, number. 50.
Oh, meron! Good job! Galing ah.
12?
Not 12.
Ano ba to? Mayroon na yung nag-10 kanina eh.
11.
Ay.
What number?
Yes, pwede! Yes, pwede! Yay! Good job!
Sit down there.
What number? What number? 16.
Yay! Good job!
Yeah, sit down there. Ate, sit down there, ate. Sit down there.
27.
Wale! Ha?
Ang galing!
14?
Ay, doon ka muna.
One more. There's another chance.
Tawagan mo nga si Van tumatawag siya eh. Baka dyan nawala sa mapagparkingan.
I have toys! I have toys! I have chocolate!
Okay.
Okay, again.
Go line up.
Say number.
Number, ate. 15.
Wale!
Alam ko, sige bintan. Hindi
Ikaw.
Sige, Kyla.
Nagbibidyo si madam.
Ano? What?
17 daw.
Ang galing naman!
Ang galing naman niya.
Nakita mo ba yan? Kaya nga eh. Meron daw. Antayin na lang. Tawagin ko si ante.
Oh my God!
Kami na si Kyla.
Tawagan niya si Christian.
Tawagan mo na si Christian. Yeah.
Okay, go number.
21.
Wale.
21. Okay, sa ate. Go lang. Hey.
Wale.
Courtney.
Isa. Jasmine.
13? No, 13.
18.
Ah, hindi ka pa nakakuha ko ni.
No, 18.
No 80. That's okay. Ah, okay. That's good.
Naalala pa nga doon.
Yeah, it's okay.
3. No.
Together?
Oh, that's 33.
Nakita na niya. Tinuro niya tuloy.
Tanggalin ko na nga ito. Okay,
Number
Kyla.
again. Isa.
Kyla.
Bigay ng number. Nakita mo na eh.
You wanna play?
Oh, here, Lincoln.
Go,
Go, number 3. Go, Kyla.
Idol, look at me.
Milk.
Go.
Isa. Just wait.
Go any number, Kyler.
Play na. You're not last, okay?
30.
Sabi niya, tarde?
Ano 30?
Sinabi niya. Talaga. Pangatlo na yan.
14.
14, oh.
Number 1 yun, di ba? Oo. Walaan ko ya. Kayla ay Courtney.
Udon ka.
Number.
Mama, here. Here, Mama. Mama, get it. Get it.
Tinanggal mo yung eat the vegetables yun. Ayaw niya.
16. No, 16. Pwede ako na lang.
Ito isa, you're next.
Last one. Decide which one.
26. Tapos na. One more number.
One more.
One more.
I haven't been done for you.
So yeah.
Isa.
What?
One.
Kuha niya. Good job.
43. Ang galing.
Nakuha niya? Yay!
Ipabring ko na to.
Good job, guys.
Okay, good job.
Good job.